can you tell us the importance of 3D ultrasound in the diagnostic, in the treatment of valvular heart failure and interventional cardiology and heart failure?
Okay, so
three domains.
Three different diagnoses. So let's start with heart failure. Heart failure is a very common diagnosis, and this is a diagnosis in which the heart usually fails to pump very strongly. So three-dimensional echocardiography is excellent to measure the pumping ability of the heart. So we can know how the heart is pumping, and we can follow it over time and see if there are any changes. We can look at the effect of different medications and see if that's improving the pumping ability of the heart, etc. So, we have a lot of patients that have heart transplantation or that have artificial hearts. In English, that is called left ventricular assist devices. And with 3D echo, we can really measure exactly what's happening with the heart. So that is a very accurate type of diagnosis. In cardiology now, people are trying to study very much what happens to the patients that have cancer and receive different types of medication. So 3D echo is also extremely useful in order to follow and measure the pumping ability of your heart. Interventional cardiology, we already talked about. I think that's something that we use every day and is very popular. It's used around the world. There are many interventional cardiology procedures that cannot be done if you don't do them together with a cardiac ultrasound. And regarding coronary artery disease, I would say that, again, in coronary artery disease, it's very important to know how the heart is pumping. There are many different types of medications. We're looking at certain regions of the heart that are not pumping very strongly. And with 3D echo, we can follow them very much. So we almost do it routinely. We are lucky because these machines are expensive. We are lucky we have a lot of machines. So because in many hospitals you have just maybe 1 or 2 machines that do this. So we are lucky we have many of these machines. So we use it almost in every patient, and we do a combination of 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional echocardiography. 3-dimensional echocardiography is extremely useful in valvular heart disease. And this is probably one of the best uses of 3-dimensional echo, particularly the visualization of the mitral valve, where a lot of surgeries are being performed. The mitral valve can be visualized from the left atrium, and you can go also and look at the mitral valve from the left ventricle. And I think that this is one of the uses in which 3-dimensional echo is extremely, extremely useful. We talked a little bit about interventional cardiology. Many times when you have artificial prosthetic valves and you can see certain problems with that valve, and 3-dimensional echo is extremely useful in making that particular diagnosis.